Hello guys!
And welcome back to the channel. We've had the most amazing time driving around Oahu.
And a perfect surf session.
But see for yourself.
We drove around the island from the west coast via North Shore back to the east coast and the south shore, starting with beautiful Makaha, a very local spot with an excellent right point break, where the water is so clear you actually think you're in the Bahamas.
Sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Oh, won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. In our kingdom, kings fall dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to getting the things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need that looking at the things we have.
Not exactly scoring the best serve, because the waves were actually quite big. We left the west coast and made our way up to North Shore, which roughly took us about an hour.
We are taking you along to go surfing with us at Puena Point.
Turns out this was actually not a good idea because Lena cut her foot on the reef pretty badly and I myself got a little mark too. But see for yourself how this session unfolded.
LenaLuciia, just need to find my way. So when I fall behind, just give me one more day to regret the word I could never say.
Pairing up with our friends Brody and Martine, we built up our camp at WHOLESOME on the North Shore, where the boys built a big fire. For dinner that night, we cooked salmon in the bonfire and had s'mores as dessert, which was actually my first time ever having them, and they were delicious.
Stuck in the night with no end. If you only knew how much my head was filled with you. It's why I do the things I do, but I know it's useless. I justify my lies, 'cause if I don't, it makes me cry. Hope life's not a race, 'cause if it is, I think I'll lose. Tried to sing the blues, but it came out tuneless.
Waking up at sunrise, we struck out to look for some surf, but were let down by the waves. So instead, we grabbed some breakfast and were treated by an awesome time watching Pipeline go off.
Obsessed over the little things. You know it drives me wild, the way it stings. You're doing laps around my mind. I swear you're working overtime to make me feel like I'm the one obsessed with you. Racing like a Hot Wheel. something that is not real. I think
Following the winding streets of the East Coast, we slowly made our way home, taking breaks to enjoy the scenery along the way.
think I'm done. Used to find it fun, but now it's ruthless.
Ja, mach das nochmal!
You'll never hear me brag.
Million?
I'll never see that checkered flag. I'm no a child, obsessed over the little things. You know it drives me wild, the way it stings. You're doing laps around.
Louis spotted a nice little wave just outside the innermost reef, and we thought we might give it a try, not expecting too much. This session, however, turned out to be one of the most rewarding and beautiful soul sessions we ever had surfing. When we first paddled out, there was nobody there, it was just the two of us. The scenery was absolutely breathtaking, and the waves were just so much fun.
Is it the voices in your head, keeping you in bed? Run me off the road again, you're leaving me for dead. With every word you keep unsaid, I throw my cards on the table. I mean, what did you expect? I said I was able, but it's no easier to be alone. I want you here, I need it. You to know it don't go the way that we planned it, but who the hell cares? Why does it matter the way we appear? It's not up to all of the fears that they share. It all becomes clear that through all uncertainty, I'd rather be. Is it the choices that you've left, dripping in regret? Check the mirror's reflection, but don't recognize yourself. With every version you present, it's so far off away from the original intent. But still you were able, but it's no easier to be alone. I want you here, I need it. You to know it don't go the way that we planned it, but who the hell cares? Why does it matter the way we appear? It's not up to all of the fears that they share. It all becomes clear that through all uncertainty, I'd rather be.
Coming out of the water after this session, I was super stoked and super grateful to be here, and we just had the best time.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusion.
The boys finished off the day of surfing by buddy surfing at Makapu'u.
Baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. I'm worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself. I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you're going to leave me. I'm worried that it won't.
And our last stop right before sunset was Sandy's, where I enjoyed my book and the last rays of sunshine at the end of this trip.
Don't worry, go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting us and joining us on our adventures. It really means a lot. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye!